first opponent.
This is where you fight your last battle, Popo.
Now scan your beetle card. Your license card was scanned. If you don't have a beetle card, press any button and a Japanese beetle will fight for you. You taught a hitting skill. You taught a pinching skill. You taught a throwing skill. Wow! It's Tyrannus Stag Beetle! Let's check your beetle's power. Wow! Perfect! Good luck! Watch out for its finish! Nice! Great! It's a super finishing attack! Adder has escaped to his hideout. Let's go find him! Second opponent.
You dare to show your face before me? Go get him! Grand Stag!
If it touches you! Great! It's a super finishing attack! Great! It's a super finishing attack! The longer we're here, the more damage you take! We have to hurry! Third opponent. The top is starting to fall apart. Be careful! Nice! Be careful! There's something falling from above! You'll be in trouble if that gets to you! Look out! Nice! Great! It's a super finishing attack! We've run out of time! Finish the battle quickly! Last opponent.
Go! Mandibularis Stag! Show them what you are made of!
Nice! Great! It's a super finishing attack! Nice! There's nowhere left to run at or give up!
You'll never stop me!
Congratulations! You're a first-class Moshi Master! There are special stages to be played. Special stage. This is the final battle. Do your best.